Number 1. Why ELCB cannot work if neutral input of ELCB does not connect to ground? ELCB का न्यूट्रल इनपुट जमीन से नहीं जुड़ता है तो ELCB काम क्यों नहीं कर सकता? तो दोस्तों मैं अभी इसका जवाब आपको दे रही हूँ. अर्थ लीकेज सर्किट ब्रेकर ELCB for short was the first name given to what is now called a ground fault circuit interrupter, GFCI. The original type of ELCB was designed only to detect a current flowing in the safety ground or earth wire. ELCB is used to detect earth leakage fault. Once the phase and neutral are connected in an ELCB, the current will flow through phase and that same current will have to return neutral. So, resultant current is zero. Once there is a ground fault in the load side, current from phase will directly pass through earth and it will not return through neutral through ELCB. That means one side current is going and not returning, and hence because of this difference in current, ELCB will trip and it will safeguard the other circuits from faulty loads. If the neutral is not grounded, fault current will definitely high and that full fault current will come back through ELCB and there will be no difference in current. Number 2. What is the difference between MCB and MCCB where it can be used? MCB और MCCB के बीच क्या अंतर है? इसका उपयोग कहाँ किया जा सकता है? MCB is a miniature circuit breaker which is thermal operated and used for short circuit protection in small current rating circuit. Normally it is used where normal current is less than 100 amps. MCCB molded case circuit breaker and is thermal operated for our load current and magnetic operation for instant trip in short circuit condition. Under voltage and under frequency may be inbuilt. Normally it is used where normal current is more than 100 amps. Number 3. Why in a 3-pin plug the earth pin is thicker and longer than other pins? क्यों 3-पिन प्लग में अर्थ पिन अन्य पिनों से मोटा और लंबा क्यों होता है? It depends upon R is equal to PL by A, where area A is inversely proportional to resistance R. So, if area A increases, R decreases, and if R is less than, the leakage current will take low resistance path, so the earth pin should be thicker. It is longer because the first to make the connection and last to disconnect should be earth pin. This assures safety for the person who uses the electrical instrument. Number 4. Why delta star transformers are used for lighting loads? Delta star transformer का उपयोग lighting के लिए क्यों किया जाता है? For lighting loads, neutral conductor is must and hence the secondary must be star winding and this lighting load is always unbalanced in all three phases. To minimize the current unbalance in the primary, we use delta winding in the primary. So, delta transformer is used for lighting loads. Number 5. What are the advantages of star delta starter in the induction motor? इंडक्शन मोटर के साथ स्टार डेल्टा स्टारर के क्या फायदे हैं? The main advantage of using the star delta starter is the reduction of current during the starting of the motor. Starting current is reduced to 3 to 4 times of current of direct online starting. Hence, the starting current is reduced. The voltage drops during the starting of motor in systems are reduced.